Is the PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan a reliable option for securing your financial future? In this review, we will explore its features, advantages, and disadvantages and assess its returns through an internal rate of returns analysis. This will offer a clearer understanding of whether this insurance cum investment plan meets your needs. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan is an individual, non-linked, non-participating savings life insurance plan. First, let us look at the features of the plan. Get the flexibility to receive benefits either as lump sum or guaranteed income. Boost your corpus with guaranteed additions and wealth additions. Choose any date to commence the income payout to coincide with any special date like birthday or anniversary date. Now let us look at the benefits of PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan. First, survival benefit. For option 1, endowment option, no survival benefit will be payable. For all other options, it is payable at policy anniversaries starting after the completion of premium paying term and deferment period if chosen. For option 2, income option, single pay option, guaranteed addition will be expressed as a percentage of annualized premium. For other options, it is sum of all annualized premium plus guaranteed addition accrued divided by the income payout period. For option 3, income plus lump sum, it is a sum of all annualized premium plus guaranteed addition accrued divided by the income payout period. For option 4, income plus boosters, single pay option, guaranteed addition which is expressed as a percentage of annualized premium. Additional payouts called boosted additions will be paid along with the guaranteed income payout paid at specified policy anniversaries during the income payout period. For other option, it is a sum of all annualized premium plus guaranteed additions accrued divided by the income payout period. Next, maturity benefit. For option 1, endowment option, the sum of total premiums payable, accrued guaranteed addition and accrued wealth additions will be payable. For option 3, income plus lump sum option, accrued wealth addition will be payable. For option 2 and 4, no maturity benefit is payable. Next, death benefit. Death benefit shall include the sum assured on death defined as higher of basic sum assured or annualized premium or single premium multiplied by the death benefit multiple or 105% of total premiums paid. The death benefit payable shall not be less than the following based on the plan option chosen. For option 1, endowment, total premiums paid plus accrued guaranteed addition and accrued wealth additions. For option 2, income option, total premiums paid plus accrued guaranteed addition less guaranteed income payouts made during the income payout period. For option 3, income plus lump sum, total premiums paid plus accrued guaranteed addition and accrued wealth addition less guaranteed income payouts made during the income payout period. For option 4, income plus boosters, total premiums paid plus accrued guaranteed addition and accrued booster addition less guaranteed income payouts made during the income payout period. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan. First, advantages. Flexibility in selecting the benefit payout date. Policyholders can choose the income payout frequency. Loans can be taken against the policy once it acquires a surrender value with up to 90% of special surrender value available. Riders can be added to enhance the base policy. It offers flexible premium payment mode, policy terms, and premium payment periods. Additional benefits are available for those who choose to pay a higher premium. Next, disadvantages. The sum assured may be insufficient to cover the family's future basic needs. The deferment period is fixed for single pay and 5-year premium payment terms. Returns are relatively low for a long-term investment. Survival benefits often end up being spent on discretionary expenses. Next, we shall move on to the calculation part. The standard feature of PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan is its guaranteed benefits. You can customize the income payout period according to your needs. However, it is crucial to evaluate these guaranteed benefits in terms of return percentages. Let's analyze the internal rate of return based on a benefit illustration from the policy brochure. Consider a 40-year-old male who opts for PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan with a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs. The policy term is 15 years and the premium payment term is 7 years with an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh. Since he selects plan option 1, endowment, he receives the guaranteed benefit at the end of the policy term. In this scenario, the final maturity benefit is 13.18 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 5.37%. This rate of return is not favorable for a long-term investment given the 15-year policy term. Over such an extended period, inflation will erode the value of your returns, making it difficult to meet the increased cost of your financial goals. In summary, the advantage of guaranteed benefits is diminished by the moderate returns offered under the PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan. The investment option under PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan falls short of being a compelling choice. Additionally, the insurance coverage provided is inadequate. The combination of insurance and investment in this plan does not yield the desired results. Let's explore an alternate approach using the same premium but in a more effective split. Consider the same scenario from the previous illustration. For life coverage, a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs require a premium of rupees 15,100. The policy term is 15 years with a premium payment term of 5 years. In contrast to the previous case where the premium payment period was over 7 years, here the remaining 84,900 from the 1 lakh premium is available for investment during the first 5 years. In the subsequent 2 years, the entire 1 lakh can be invested. The investment choice can be tailored to your risk appetite. High risk investors might opt for equity investments, while those who with a lower risk tolerance could choose debt instruments. In this example, we have selected an equity linked savings scheme ELSS fund which falls under equity investments. At maturity, the ELSS investment results in a pre-tax value of 24.64 lakhs. After accounting for capital gains, the post-tax value is 22.49 lakhs. The IRR for the combined ELSS investment and pure term life insurance policy comes to 10.05%, which is a post-tax return. This return significantly outpaces inflation. This comparison clearly illustrates that bundling insurance and investment as done in PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan leads to moderate returns. In contrast, separating these elements yields better returns and adequate life coverage, ensuring that you stay on track with your financial goals. Here is our final verdict on PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan. It allows you to save systematically while offering guaranteed benefits and protection against unforeseen life events. However, the coverage provided is limited and may not be sufficient. The illustration above focuses on endowment option, which yields low returns. If you choose the regular income option, the returns would be even lower. As a result, the savings accumulated under this plan do not grow into a significant corpus due to the poor returns. The guaranteed payouts are unlikely to meet your financial goals, and the life cover is also inadequate, making the PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan an unsuitable addition to your portfolio. For life insurance, pure term policies are more effective, offering higher coverage at an affordable premium and providing two protections for your loved ones. To achieve your financial goals, it is essential to select the right products based on your objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Building a diversified investment portfolio can help you manage risk more effectively. Consulting a certified financial planner can guide you on your financial journey, leveraging their expertise to secure your financial future. A detailed review of PNB MetLife Guaranteed Future Plan is available as a blog post on our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.